Curriculum variations exist in PTC, CT, Deep Education, Diploma of Education, B.Ed, M.Ed courses. I different institutions. The coursework is embedded in generalized theoretical approaches with low practical hand-ons exposure. The examining body for PTC, CT and Diploma of Education are the Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education BICE. The evaluation body of B.Ed, M.Ed, MPhil and PhD programs is the conventional universities with which the pre-service institution is affiliated, like University of Education in Ahmedabad Open University, University of Punjab, IR department, etc. To implement the new curricula effectively, teacher guides were developed in various school subjects and provided to all the education institutions in the country during 1975 to 80. In the late 1990s, diploma in education was introduced to replace PTC and CT. It had two modes: a 3-year program after 10 years of schooling, or a 1.5-year program after 12 years of schooling. In 2002, after the establishment of the University of Education Lahore, B.Ed Elementary Education degree program was introduced in the elementary colleges to replace all the certificate and diploma courses of teacher education in Punjab. In service education. In service education, there are different types of in-service education possibilities for the working teachers. In-service training of untrained staff through full-time crash programs of 3 months duration provided by the government. B. Short-term refresher courses for those already teaching provided by the government. C. Limited private sector initiatives, short as well as medium term. Varied donor-funded projects directed towards in-service training of government teachers. Curriculum for in-service teachers education. रीडिंग करें इस स्लाइड को आप. Curriculum for in-service teacher education. The in-service curriculum offers diverse, focused, and balanced innovations in terms of content and methodology. The design of the course contents is focused on the following areas: subject-based content knowledge. जो सा भी सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाना है उसके बेस पे आपके जो उसका कंटेंट है उसकी नॉलेज. क्वालिटी ऑफ टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग. pedagogical methods, joyful learning. Low cost added for supporting interactive student-centered learning. Community involvement. Learning assessment systems. IT informational technology literacy skills. Multi-grade teaching. Leadership and management including capacity building for admin and accounts. Education Extension Center. करते हैं एजुकेशन एक्सटेंशन सेंटर. नाम से यह कि एजुकेशन के जो एक्सटेंशन सेंटर्स हैं, each province has an education extension center and or directorate of staff development. These centers work under the direct control of Director, Curriculum Bureau. The center arranges in-service training programs to develop the competency of working teachers in teaching methods and techniques as well as improving their mastery of content. Short-term courses of 2 to 4 weeks durations are being held throughout the year depending upon the resource availability. The topics covered in the courses also include lesson planning and presentation, the use of textbooks and home assignments evaluation, guidance and discipline, and co-curricular activities. Beside revision and modernization, the teacher education curriculum, a comprehensive program, is also being launched to improve the quality of instruction both in the educational institutions and particularly in the teacher education institutions. Primary teacher education in Pakistan. Pakistan primary teacher education in Pakistan. The teacher in the classroom deals with diversity of learners and is responsible for their physical, intellectual, social, moral and spiritual development. ये लाइन ही प्राइमरी टीचर एजुकेशन इन पाकिस्तान को क्लियर कर रहे हैं. द टीचर इन द क्लासरूम डील्स, जो भी टीचर क्लासरूम में डील करेगा विद डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ लर्नर्स एंड इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर देयर, किस चीज की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, देयर फिजिकल, इंटेलेक्चुअल, social, moral and spiritual development. As we know that the primary education is the foundation and base for learning, the return of primary education is considered higher than that of higher education. Therefore, primary education needs more attention and inputs to rise its standards and quality. In Pakistan, the educational conferences formed a number of committees included for primary education to provide compulsory, universal and free primary education to every child and provide facilities for attainment of universal enrollment of boys and girls, especially in far-flung areas. The National Education Conference 1989, page 62 states that primary education should be recognized as a basic fundamental right of every Pakistani child and primary education should be made free and compulsory forthwith. The Education Policy 1998 to 2010, page 28 also states that access to elementary education should be increased through effective and optimum utilization of existing facilities and service walls, well as provision of new facilities and services. Primary education system at district level. ये प्राइमरी एजुकेशन सिस्टम है एट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल. थैंक यू. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज का हमारा यूनिट 4 कंप्लीट. आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन आप कर सकते हैं, कमेंट भी कर